Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm so glad you're here and you've joined me. We are outside. I'm standing on my front porch. I'm going to take y'all out here as soon as I can get this fixed. And we're going to look at our plants, the ones that we planted way back when. I've got them outside. They're growing beautifully. I want y'all to see them, okay? First, I'm going to show you my front porch. Look at that. Doesn't that look so inviting? That's where I stay a lot of times, right there in that swing. I love my swing, you all. I do. Let's go out here and take a tour around of our plants. There's the front of my house. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's the front of our house. It's a log house, old log house. And here's the farm. I don't know if y'all can see too well or not, but there's one of the hay fields. We've got 2 hay fields and we've got a cornfield and so forth. This is what I call my Walmart garden, y'all. Because y'all can see I've got everything growing in Walmart reusable bags. And I've got stuff in a swimming pool. Can y'all see these little swimming pools? And they self-water. Now, I've never done this before. But I saw where some people did do this. And the leaves on my tomatoes are curling on some of them, and I don't know why. But here's just some of our tomatoes. Some cucumbers back there. Look at this one. I want y'all to see these squash plants that we grew. Now these are y'all can see, like here's an empty one where something died. That's just an empty bag, but I did have a plant in it. But these are in these bags. I want y'all to look at this. Look how big these squash plants are. They are absolutely huge. And they're loaded with blooms and little squash. You see those little squash down in there? It won't be long till we'll have some little squash. I'm so excited. And Andy will be just over the moon because he absolutely loves squash. There's a cucumber. You can see I've got it running up here. I've got my tomatoes growing up. There's another squash plant. I've got some more stakes. I'm going to get out here tonight and stake up the rest of my stuff. But this is the plants that we started, you all. Some of them are, some of them... Well, matter of fact, we started all these, so... but they're just growing away. And there's some of our peppers. See our pepper plants, how big they're getting? Y'all, it takes a long time to grow peppers. It really does. Here's our watermelon. It's growing. And our onions. Y'all see how our onions are getting big? Let me snap these off here. These seed pods so they don't. There you go. You can see the onions good now. Here's some more cucumbers. And I've got them. I made a little teepee for them to run up on. Can y'all see that? I'll back up so you can see it a little better. Now then, can y'all see my teepees? I hope you can. And my cucumbers will just grow right up those teepees right there. And I've teepeed up some of the tomatoes over here. I hope that these tomatoes are going to come out of this. I've never had that happen before. So I really don't know why. If y'all do know why, let me know. Let me know how to get the leaves to stop curling. Because I don't know how to stop the curling of the leaves unless you just have to wait for new ones to come on. Now the newer ones are not curling, so maybe you just have to wait. I don't know. Let me know if you know. We'll walk on out here because we've got some beans and corn planted out here in the ground. The plan was to put all that in the ground. I'm going in the shade here of the shade tree. We've got lots of trees. Here's more of the hay field out through there. And over through there, I don't know if y'all can see or not, there's some cattle over there. And but here are our beans. Look how pretty they are. Our beans are growing up there. So pretty. Y'all can see my shadow there. There are the beans. Big long row of beans. We're going to plant another row. And we've got 4 rows of corn. And it's coming up nicely. It could use some rain. Yes, it could use some rain, that's for sure. There's our barn. It needs work, as you can tell. The roof is flapped back on it and the sides are coming off. That's just another project. I swear, owning property, it's a never-ending chore. If you all own property, you know what I mean. And being out here on the farm, we love it. There's our mountain up there. Can y'all see that? We own all the way to the top of that mountain back there. Over that way. It's so peaceful out here. There's the side view coming in, walking in. There's our old greenhouse down there. But we'll go back up here and sit on the porch for a minute. And I've not done a lot this year. This is our first full year in this house. But it does need a lot of stuff done. And y'all, it just takes time. It just takes time. Here's my little pot man. I think he's cute. Turn you this way so you can see him. Well, that's not going to do you any good, is it? All right, I'll back y'all up. And down here's my little baby one. I got to get him a plant. And something has eaten my marigolds up. I don't know what it is. I guess it might be slugs. I know it's not rabbits. And here's some more of our little tomatoes. These are little Tommy Toes chocolate cherry tomatoes. And these are jelly bean tomatoes. I've got these in pots up here. There's a little piggy. And here's some more flowers as you come up my steps here. And we've got hummingbird feeders, and we do have hummingbirds that come to them. And we'll sit down here on the porch on the swing a minute. I'm going to go in and cook some dinner in a little bit. I'll video that for you all. And there's our garden update. Y'all let me know if you've ever planted stuff in those bags like that and put it in like a pool like I did. They self-water that way, which is so nice because they can dry out so quickly in this heat. And I just keep my pools full of water, or not full, but you know, about 2 or 3 inches of water in the bottom. And things can grow nicely. And you're not watering them from the top and maybe harming the leaves and certain things. So, and let me know about those tomatoes curling, the leaves curling on those tomatoes. If y'all have ever done that, had that to happen, how do you fix it? Or what causes it? Because those are all different kinds of tomatoes, and I don't have any idea what they are. Because by the time I got ready to plant them, I just had them all mixed up willy-nilly, and I didn't know what was what. So I just planted them. So that's it for our garden update. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.